Hello everyone, friends! On the Kala of Valor, today I'm going to show you how to install node.js on Windows 11. Write to the search node.js. Well, for Windows 10, this instruction will also work. That's it. And click on the download button. Click Windows Installer, yes, MSI, and open the bootloader. We press, oh, I accidentally canceled. I just thought that two of them opened up at once. Click Next, accept Next, Next. Do not touch anything here, click Next. Here, accordingly, if you have never had Node on a PC, then select the checkbox here. I already had it installed, so I remove it. Click Next and Install. That's it. And wait for the installation to be completed. The installation is complete. Click Finish and check. Go to the command line, write Node, V here, and accordingly, we have the version installed. That's all. Valor was with you. Like, subscribe to the channel. Have a good life to everyone. Good luck to everyone. Goodbye, everyone.